Good morning to all. I hope you all have understood Chapter 2, The Merchant of Venice. Now we will do notebook work. To do notebook work, you have to follow some rules. Handwriting should be neat and clean. Proper date and day should be mentioned. Leave one line after each answer. Do your work by your own. Use black pen to write questions and blue pen to write answers. You can write the name of chapter like this. Let's start. First is I will sign this bond. Who said this and to whom? Answer is Antonio said this to Shylock. Next one. What was the bond? The bond was that if Antonio did not repay the money by a certain day, he would forfeit a pound of flesh to be cut off from any part of his body that Shylock pleased. Next one. What would have happened if he had not signed the bond? If Antonio would not have signed the bond, Shylock would not have lent him the 3,000 ducats and Bassanio would not have been able to go to Belmont and marry Portia. Next one. Wait a little, there is something else. Who said this? Portia, who was in disguise of a young lawyer, said this. What was the something else? The something else was the bond did not give Shylock any drop of blood. The bond expressly said a pound of flesh. Third one. Did it affect the court case? It affected the court case because it was impossible for Shylock to cut off the pound of flesh without shedding some Antonio's blood, so Antonio's life was saved. Now we will do question answers. First is who was Antonio? Antonio was a young merchant in the city of Venice. Next question is what was Shylock's occupation? Shylock was a usurer who lent money at high rates of interest to local merchants in Venice. Third one. Where did Portia live? Portia lived at Belmont, a place near Venice. Fourth is who was Bellario? Bellario was a counselor of law and Portia's relative. Fifth question is how can we say that Antonio was a good friend? Antonio was a good friend because although he did not have money to help Bassanio, he borrowed the 3,000 ducats from his arch enemy Shylock. He signed the bond drawn up by Shylock, putting his own life in danger for his friend's sake. Question number 6. How can we say that Bellario was a clever lawyer? Give examples from the story. Answer is Bellario was a clever lawyer as he sent a letter to Portia advising her how to handle the case of Antonio. On his advice, Portia was able to turn the table against Shylock and save Antonio. Bellario cleverly feigned sickness and requested the Duke to permit Portia to handle the case in his place. Next question is, do you think Portia loved Bassanio? Give reasons for your answer. Portia loved Bassanio because first she made certain that they were married before he set out for Venice so that he would get a legal right to her money. Second, she approached Bellario for advice and help so that she could save her husband's dear friend from the clutches of the wicked Shylock. So she was able to save Antonio. Question number 8. Why do you think Shylock was so eager to cut off Antonio's flesh? Answer is Shylock was so eager to cut off a pound of Antonio's flesh because he hated the merchant and wanted to put an end to him. Antonio also disliked the Jew's mean ways and his hard-heartedness. So Shylock must have thought it was a good opportunity to pay back Antonio for his hatred when the merchant came to him for a loan of 3,000 ducats to help his friend. Now the notebook work of this chapter is completed. Thank you. Have a nice day.